What's up, YouTube? There we go. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Dane here with H&G Land Management, and today we're at the family farm. And so my dad and mom had this shop built, this big shop, it's probably been 8 months now, and we're slowly trying to get everything in here. You notice it's still a work in progress. But our next big project, since we're kind of slow in the hay stuff, is going to be to transition everything over from all of our old buildings, which is outside, into here, and then knock the old buildings down. And it's an undertaking, and I really haven't even helped thus far. It's been most of my family all on their own. So the wife and I came down this weekend just to get away, and so here I am trying to just check it out and see what's going on. So this is the shop. This is where my grandpa used to work in for years. Little projects here and there, but he's just over the years has gotten piled up with just stuff. Some good, some not so good. But swings he made. I think I helped him make that one. I did help him make that one. He's got more table saws than anybody ever had. There's one there. There's one there. I think we moved one in there already. Oh, no, there's another one right there piled on top of that stuff. Enough drills to supply a whole crew. And he's got one drill press, two drill presses, three with a portable drill, another one, portable drill, another one, portable drill. The reason I'm telling you all this is the first weekend of April, we are going to be renting equipment and to demo all this stuff. So we'll have an excavator, I think, and a skid steer. And I'm specifically renting the Kubota SVL 75. I'm tossing around which one I want to get. I'm kind of sold on Kubota. We have a lot of dealerships around here. So put in the comments if you think of any other brands that are good. I know Cat makes a good one, obviously. Takeuchi, or however you say that. Takeuchi. John Deere, New Holland. Drop in the comments. Tell me what kind of skid steer I need to look at. The main reason I'm leaning towards Kubota is the dealer support. There's one giant Kubota dealer down in the New Braunfels, Seguin area, and he's got like 7 stores. And then there's also one, a separate chain up here in Hallettsville, and they have a good reputation as well. So anyway, drop it in the comments. Let me know what kind of skid steer I should look at. We're potentially going to buy one, and I want to know what y'all think. Well, enough about skid steers and barns. Let's go feed some cows. Sorry that there's not a whole lot of hay going on today, or anything of that nature. No equipment or anything like that. Just figured I'd make a video, kind of show you around what's going on our little family farm here, and hope you enjoyed. Here in about a month, we'll be doing our demo of those buildings over there. So that should be interesting. Lots of good footage. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate all the views, all the subscribers. Y'all are awesome. I'll try to keep it interesting for you. Let me know if anything y'all want to see. But anyway, enjoy some of this drone footage.